Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you or teach you how to add friends on Steam in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do is open the Steam software or application. So now I already opened mine. So all you need to do is go to your profile, or this one, view my profile. So as you can see here, I don't have any friends. And in order for us to add a new friend, just go to the um at this lower level in the right, okay, in the lower right corner. You can see here a friends and chat. Okay, click that one. So after that, guys, okay, so here I don't have any online or offline friends because I don't have one. In order for us to add a new friends, just click this one, this icon, that a man and a plus icon. Click that one and it will take you to your profile. Okay, so here guys, you can see a lot of options here, your friends, and you can add friends. Okay, there you go guys. So if you add some friends, and okay, you just have to try searching your friend or anybody else. Okay, just try to search this name, Omega, let's say. Okay, so there's a lot of name here, but if this is the one you're looking for, just click this one, add as friend. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Steams. Thank you.